Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, For Whom the Ball Rolls, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 3. To heck with the planet of the cats. Meanwhile, my fellow felines, no animal has more liberty than the cat. The cat is the best anarchist. Yeah, we agree. What's an anarchist? Beats me. But we have buried our mess for too long. We must unite. We must show liberty. I'm tired of being so tiny.
Me too.
Stop that whining! But Peggy, ever since we joined the fleas, it's been one disaster after another. And now we're so small, we can fit on a cat's whisker. What's your point? Let's quit. I'm hungry.
Me too.
We can't quit now. I've got a new plan. If we can reach Petey's ear, I can hypnotize him. Then we can mold him into whatever we desire. How about a pizza?
Or a cheeseburger.
Or a big bag of miniature marshmallows.
Or a chocolate cupcake with sprinkles.
You can't blow the cat into a chocolate cupcake with sprinkles.
We can try.
No, you can't.
Can't
Cannot. We must overthrow the status quo. And furthermore, we must stick together. It's all for me.
And for you.
Hey, Petey, guess what? What? The governor just called. You've been pardoned. Seriously? Yep, you're a free cat. Awesome! Well, so long, fellas. But Petey, what about liberty?
What about the revolution? What about sticking together to overthrow the status quo?
Yeah, good luck with that. Bye-bye, Petey. We'll miss you. Yeah, I know.
Petey! Oh, Petey, I'm so happy for you.
Let go of me, Big Jim! What did I tell you about snuggling?
Sorry, Petey. Bye, Petey. Have fun with your new life. Good luck. I'll miss you. What happened?
I think we switched cats.
No!
Chapter 4. Papa Knows Best. And so... Guess who just got...
Yo, Dawson! Petey's my papa, remember?
Not the mouse!
Good boy, Dawson! You learned to focus!
Get off of me now!
Hi, Papa! Did you escape from jail again?
Nope. The governor gave me a pardon.
Sweet!
And now that I'm a free cat, you get to come and live with me. Isn't that great? Well, isn't it?
But Papa, what about Dogman and ADHD?
Oh, don't worry about them. They have each other. And now, we have each other too.
Oh.
So come on, let's go. Let go of my leg! Look, I appreciate your help while I was in jail, but I'm free now. This is my kid. He needs to be with me. You're gonna have to let him go. You do want to live with me, don't you?
Yeah, I guess so.
Well, you don't seem too happy about it.
Can Dogman and ADHD come and live with us?
No, they can't. It's just gonna be you and me from now on. We're gonna build cool giant robots and do all kinds of fun stuff together.
Can I still play with Dogman and ADHD and Sarah and Zuzu and...
Yeah, you can still play with those guys if you want.
Okay, I'm happy. Hey, Papa, look at the green flowers.
Those aren't flowers. Those are weeds.
Oh. Hey, Papa, look at the pretty river.
That river isn't pretty. It's polluted.
Oh. Hey, Papa, look at all of the twinkly stars.
Hey, watch where you're stepping. There's mud everywhere.
Oh.
Do you know what your problem is?
What, Papa?
You've been living with those two knuckleheads for so long that you think the whole world is just rainbows and unicorns and lollipops.
Yay, lollipops!
But it's time you woke up and faced the truth. You need a good dose of reality.